Welcome back. The High Court has refused to grant any relief to the flat owners of Ruby Residency at Kankona. A flat owner had approached the High Court pleading not to demolish the building adjoining to collapsed building. But state government contended that the expert committee has found the building as unstable and dangerous.
Disputes linked to Kankon Ruby building collapse are far from getting resolved. Now the panicked occupants are approaching the High Court. During the hearing on Wednesday, petitioner flat owner contended that he has invested their money to buy a flat in Ruby Residency. Petitioner pleaded to the court not to demolish remaining structure of Ruby Residency at Kankon. In reply, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni contended that an expert committee constituted to assess the stability of structure has found that building is unstable and dangerous. Advocate General also contended that entertaining this petition will virtually help the accused builders who are responsible for death of 31 labourers. Absconding accused builders Pradeep Singh Biring and Jugdeep Sehgal are still untraceable by the Goa police. The High Court accepted the findings of the expert committee and dismissed the petition. Building of Ruby Residency had collapsed on 4 January this year, in which 31 labourers had died and many were injured. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Brazil's goalless draw against Mexico has opened up Group A in the ongoing FIFA World Cup. The World Cup host failed to score despite numerous chances as Mexico goalkeeper stood like a wall against Neymar and company. The goalless draw means that Brazil and Mexico have 4 points each. Meanwhile, Belgium opened their campaign in Group H with a 2-1 victory over Algeria. Russia held South Korea to a 1-1 draw. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.